Hello again, welcome to another video, and today we're going off to have a look at a Honda Jazz. One of my old customers has contacted me and tells me she's got a Honda Jazz automatic that she wants to move on. So yes, let's go along and take a look at it and see what it's like. So I'll see you when we get there. So here we are with the Honda Jazz, finished in the silver, 2012 model automatic, 1.4 litre petrol, and it seems like a tidy little car. Just got a couple of minor bits on it. There's a tiny little dent there, and there's a little bit of chip in here that would probably polish out. There's a tiny little dent in the roof there. Nothing to worry about really. Pretty straight car basically. Like I say, it looks nice in the silver. Could probably do with a valet. Wheels don't look too bad. It's got parking sensors on the rear. That tyre looks a bit old, 2016, it's cracking on the sidewall, so that'll need replacing. So it needs a good valet and polish up. Should come up quite nicely. The front tyres are good. Let's take a look in the boot. Decent sized boot. It's got the blow up kit under there for your puncture repairs, and also it's got the toolkit there with the all important towing eye with it, some spare oil, don't know why, might need that, and the jack is under there. Like I say, it needs a good valet. It looks like it's had a dog in the back here, so somebody will need to get the Henry Hoover out and have a good go at that. But say it's all doable, just needs a good clean up. So yeah, it seems like a nice car. So let's just take a look inside. So we've got front and rear electric windows, central lock-in, electric and folding door mirrors from there, height adjustable driver's seat. Interior doesn't look too bad. Let's get out the wind so we can hear what we're saying. So here we are inside the car, so let's just have a start up. All the warning lights go out okay. We've got 61,000 miles, and what's it say on the display? 39.5 mpg, so it's a good economy. So yeah, nice little car this one. It's got the radio CD. That's all easy to get out there. Nicely laid out. You've got the climate controls there and there. Air conditioning, that's all blowing nice and cold. Switch that on and off there. There's a power socket there. USB socket there, so you can connect your device. Automatic transmission. Locking wheel nut tool. Never buy a car without one of those because you'll be stuck. There's a spare key as well, but that looks like it needs a bit of work with it. Conventional handbrake. Like I say, interior doesn't look too bad. Do with the valet. 2 glove boxes, the one at the bottom and the one at the top. So yeah, make a nice little car for somebody. Oh yeah, steering wheel mounted controls as well for the radio there and for the information, and it's also got the paddle controls for the automatic, so you can change gear with the paddles there as well. I think you have to probably put it in S mode for that. So yeah, let's just take it for a little spin. So we'll just have a little quick spin in the Honda Jazz, see what she drives like. So all automatic, so just select D for drive, which comes up there on the display, and there we go. Let's just have a little tootle around the yard. Seems to drive nice and smooth. No funny noises. Plenty of power when you put your foot down. Yeah, typical Honda. Nice quiet engine, nice and smooth. Nothing to worry about. Like I say, this would make a great little car for somebody who needs a small automatic, nice and easy to drive, easy to park, easy to live with, reliable. What's not to like? So there you go, nice little Honda Jazz for somebody. Not sure what we're going to do with this one yet, so if you've got any suggestions, drop it in the comments. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one, and bye for now.